What is the main problem addressed in the paper related to uncertainty estimation in large language models, LLMs?
The main problem addressed in the paper related to uncertainty estimation in large language models, LLMs, is the challenge of accurately representing uncertainty over the correctness of the model's output. The paper discusses the lack of consensus on whether LLMs can effectively estimate uncertainty and how to approach uncertainty representation with language models. It highlights the varying claims about LLMs' ability to estimate uncertainty, with some works suggesting they can do so directly through prompting, while others argue that LLMs are often overconfident in their predictions. The paper delves into the dichotomy of black box versus white box uncertainty estimation methods for LLMs, emphasizing the need for effective calibration methods to improve uncertainty estimates. Additionally, the paper explores the importance of fine-tuning LLMs for better uncertainties, generalizing uncertainty estimates to new question types, and utilizing uncertainty information to assist in human decision-making.
How does the proposed method for uncertainty calibration in LLMs work? Provide a step-by-step explanation.
The proposed method for uncertainty calibration in LLMs works by fine-tuning the language model to estimate uncertainties more accurately. The process involves several key steps. 1. Fine-tuning for better uncertainties. The method starts by fine-tuning the language model using a relatively small number of additional parameters to provide faster and more reliable uncertainty estimates. This fine-tuning process helps the model to generalize its uncertainties to new question types and tasks beyond what was present in the original training dataset. 2. Teaching language models what they don't know. A guide is provided to teach language models to understand what they are uncertain about using a calibration dataset. This step involves training the model to recognize its limitations and uncertainties in its predictions. 3. Exploring effective parameterization. The method explores different parameterization techniques, such as linear probes and LoRa, low-rank adapters, to determine the most effective way to fine-tune the model for uncertainty estimation. It compares the performance of different parameterization methods to identify the most suitable approach. 4. Testing generalization. The method evaluates the uncertainty estimates on questions with similar formatting to the calibration data, as well as questions that test the model's robustness to significant distribution shifts. This step ensures that the uncertainty estimates generalize effectively across different types of questions and scenarios. 5. Estimating uncertainties of other models. The method goes beyond estimating uncertainties for its own predictions and shows that capable models can also learn to estimate uncertainties for predictions of other models without needing knowledge of their internal workings. This capability allows one strong base model to estimate uncertainties for multiple other models. Overall, the proposed method involves fine-tuning the language model with a focus on uncertainty estimation, exploring different parameterization techniques, testing generalization to new scenarios, and enabling the model to estimate uncertainties for other models. This approach aims to improve the calibration of uncertainties in LLMs for more reliable decision-making and collaboration with human users.
What are the theoretical benefits of fine-tuning language models for better uncertainty estimates, according to the paper?
The theoretical benefits of fine-tuning language models for better uncertainty estimates, according to the paper, include faster and more reliable uncertainty estimates with a relatively small number of additional parameters. Fine-tuning allows uncertainties to generalize to new question types and tasks beyond the fine-tuning dataset. It provides a guide to teaching language models to know what they don't know using a calibration dataset. Fine-tuning also improves the effectiveness of uncertainty estimation compared to zero-shot black box methods, especially in open-ended settings. The paper shows that fine-tuning can be more effective than black box methods in estimating uncertainties for language models, leading to calibrated uncertainties with practical generalization properties. Additionally, fine-tuning enables language models to estimate their own uncertainties as well as the uncertainties of other models without knowledge of their internals. Fine-tuning also allows for the development of actionable insights through extensive ablations and parameterization changes, such as regularization to maintain similar predictions to the base model. Ultimately, fine-tuning language models enhances their ability to provide reliable uncertainty estimates, which is crucial for improving decision-making processes and societal impact.
How is the generalization of uncertainty estimates tested in the study?
The generalization of uncertainty estimates in the study is tested by evaluating uncertainty estimates on questions with similar formatting to the calibration data, as well as questions that test robustness to significant distribution shifts. The study examines the quality of uncertainty estimates across different subject matters, question formats, and solvability scenarios to assess how well the uncertainty estimates generalize. It specifically looks at how uncertainty estimates perform on subjects not seen during training, how they fare when applied across different question formats, and how they handle questions that may not have a known solution. The study also explores the efficacy of uncertainty estimates on out-of-distribution coding tasks to further test their generalization capabilities. Additionally, the study replaces the language model's answers in the fine-tuning dataset with incorrect answer options to understand if the model is simply learning patterns in errors, or if it is truly assessing correctness, providing insights into the mechanisms behind the generalization of uncertainty estimates.
What are the key findings regarding the uncertainty estimation methods for LLMs, as presented in the paper?
The key findings regarding the uncertainty estimation methods for LLMs, as presented in the paper, include the following. 1. Fine-tuning for better uncertainties provides faster and more reliable uncertainty estimates, which also generalize to new question types and tasks beyond the fine-tuning dataset. 2. Contrary to prior work, zero-shot black box methods are ineffective in open-ended settings, necessitating a fine-tuning intervention for accurate uncertainty estimates. 3. The study explores different parameterizations for estimating uncertainty, such as probe, LoRa, and LoRa plus prompt, to understand how pre-trained model features can quantify uncertainty. 4. The research demonstrates that fine-tuned models can effectively generalize uncertainty estimates across distribution shifts in subject matter, question format, and solvability. 5. Language models can generate useful uncertainty estimates after training on a relatively small number of labeled examples, indicating the model's ability to assess correctness and recognize topics with incorrect answers. 6. The findings suggest that uncertainty estimates learned from one model can be applied to other models, indicating that LLM uncertainties are likely not model-specific. 7. Calibrated uncertainty scores improve collaboration with AI assistants during decision-making processes, as users are more likely to adopt calibrated uncertainty scores in their decision-making process. These findings highlight the importance of fine-tuning LLMs for uncertainty estimation, the generalizability of uncertainty estimates across different scenarios, and the potential for using uncertainty information to enhance human-AI collaboration and decision-making processes.
Based on the paper, what are the potential future research directions suggested by the authors for enhancing uncertainty estimation in language models?
The potential future research directions suggested by the authors for enhancing uncertainty estimation in language models include 1. Developing a single model that can generate questions and uncertainty without switching between model weights. 2. Exploring uncertainty-aware pre-training or alignment phases to improve uncertainty estimation while maintaining base language modeling abilities. 3. Investigating online learning challenges where correctness labels evolve during training to implement uncertainty-aware procedures effectively. 4. Utilizing high-quality uncertainties in active learning procedures for sample-efficient fine-tuning by selecting data points based on predicted utility and model uncertainty. 5. Enhancing the factuality of language models by increasing the likelihood of confident generations through alignment procedures with reward functions. 6. Exploring how uncertainty information can influence human decision-making processes to improve decision quality and protect against rare but costly mistakes. 7. Continuing research on how uncertainty estimates can be used to balance the explore-exploit trade-off in decision-making processes. 8. Investigating the impact of uncertainty information on improving the safety and usefulness of language models in various applications. 9. Exploring the potential of uncertainty estimates in assisting with fact-checking and improving the reliability of language model outputs. 10. Further investigating the societal impact of language models through decision-making processes and the importance of uncertainty information in making informed decisions.